Wow, good game. Nah, we don't really say that. Here's the thing. Sports is one of the easiest way to start a conversation in English, especially when your mind goes blank and you really don't know what to talk about. But there is a problem. Native speakers use a lot of idioms, phrases that really don't make any sense. So you might understand the game, but not understand what the people are saying about the game. So let me show you what we really say. Let's say you just watched a close game. You could say, that game was really intense. It means it was exciting. The score was really close. Now imagine your team was winning and then lost at the last minute, something that happens in Minnesota a lot. You could say, oh boy, they choked at the end. It means the team was doing really well up until the end of the game. And if one player does everything, you could say, she carried the team. And if the game wasn't even close, you would say, now that was a blowout. Okay, it's your turn. Your team was winning and then lost in the final minute. What do you say? What do you say? You could say they choked at the end. You know, this is how real conversations happen. Nobody's thinking about their grammar. Nobody's thinking about, actually, frankly, about pronunciation. They're just reacting. They're connecting. In the comments, can you tell me the last game you watched? And try using one of the phrases you just learned. If you want to speak English naturally, not perfectly, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips. This is Leanne, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.